on the sidelines of the Minds and Money Conference here in New York, and with me now is Ken Barry, CEO of Northern Vertex. Ken, welcome to the show.
Danielle, thanks for having me on.
This is a new name for me, but I'm learning you are a gold company looking to go into production this year in Arizona with the Moss Mine project. Tell us about it.
Okay, Daniela, as you've said, we're a gold project. We've been working since 2011 at advancing this project to production. We've raised approximately $52 million in equity. We have Sprott lending facility in place for $20 million US, and we also just recently in the last couple of days brought on CAT financing for up to $9 million US. So we're well on our way to production in the fourth quarter.
So how many ounces of gold do you feel your project is sitting on?
Well, we've advanced this project during 2011 to 2015, challenging times in the market for the resource sector. What we've done is we've pushed this project towards production. So initially, it'll be about a 42,000 ounce annual production, and then we'll look to scale it up from here. We have exploration underway as well to demonstrate that it's much larger, and we have many other optimization plans in place.
What's your sentiment of the industry right now? We're at the Minds and Money Conference here. Do you think there's optimism in the mining space right now?
Well, I think there is optimism. You're seeing a lot more interest in exploration plays. From 2011, 2015, that was just a challenging period. I think we probably performed, according to our auditors, in the top 3 or 4% during that period. The market does seem to be getting a little bit more optimism in it, and it's focused on exploration and of course production scenarios like ours.
I mean, we're speaking today and gold's actually at a 6-week low right now. So is that a concern for you? You're operating in the States, you're working with the US dollar, you have higher costs than mines, for example, in Mexico. So is that going to present a challenge?
Well, this is one of the attractive features of Northern Vertex and the Moss Mine is our all-in sustaining costs are $662 per ounce. Our feasibility study was done at $1,250 gold, and it shows a 48% after-tax return. Now, if gold pulls back to $1,000, we still have a 24% after-tax return.
That's a really good all-in sustaining cost. How'd you bring it down to that level?
Well, it's because of the property. It's a very low strip ratio. The ore body comes right to surface. If you visit our website, you'll see the ore body runs as a ridge on surface, and that lends itself to a low strip ratio. And of course, our capital expenditure to put this into production at $33 million US is very low for a mining project.
And you're looking to do first pour?
We're looking at the fourth quarter of 2017.
Okay, and you're listed on the venture?
We're listed on the venture exchange under NEE.
And before I let you go, I dug up a fun fact on you. You're a former NHLer. How does a professional hockey player transition into mining?
Well, as you mentioned, I used to play in the NHL. I was also in the minors, probably more often in the minors, so scratching and clawing to get up into the big leagues, the apple as they would call it. So I think it lends itself to a mining executive because, of course, mining has many obstacles to overcome, and it's a challenging business, and I've prepared for that.
And you played with the great one, Wayne Gretzky, so...
Well, I was fortunate enough to share a couple sessions.
Well, it was a pleasure meeting you. Best of luck.
Thank you, Danielle.
Soon. And thanks for watching our coverage here from the Minds and Money Conference. We'll have more for you, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com.